No, the Ukrainian army is not only on the offensive in Kherson. Ukrainian forces are attacking on almost every front in the country. The Russian general probably think riverine operations aren't a part of standard army doctrine. While everyone was focusing on bridges and barges in Kherson, the Ukrainian army crossed the Siversky Donets River and liberated Ozern. In the video we can see that the Ukrainian troops are crossing the Siversky Donets River. There is not one Russian soldier in sight and no Russian artillery or mortar fire. Seems that on this front line the Russian don't even have enough troops left for observation posts every 500 meters. As some of the war observers point out on Twitter, Ukraine has liberated more of Donetsk the past 2 weeks than Russia has captured all month. Just to remind you, the Siversky Donets is the same river where the failed Russian attempt to cross the river took place, where the Russians suffered one of the heaviest defeats in the entire war, with over 500 soldiers killed and hundreds of armored vehicles destroyed. And while all attention is on the Ukrainian offensive on Kherson, the Ukrainian army in the east of the country has made a massive replacement of units. Territorial defense units that heroically endured the Russian offensive on the Donbass have been replaced by new, fresh and aggressive units that are motivated, trained and ready to fight the Russian aggressor. Russian information from the field says that Ukrainian forces attack more and more often in smaller groups, exclusively at night, and thus cause great damage to the Russian army, but also cause panic and fear. In the same time, the General Staff of the Ukrainian army said that they successfully repelled multiple attacks by invading Russian forces near 8 settlements in the Donbas. The units of the defense forces are holding their positions and preventing the enemy from advancing deep into the territory of our state, the update reads. The defense forces successfully repelled enemy attacks in the areas of the settlements of Bohorodikny, Pasika, Dolina, Bakhmut, Pokrovsk, Bakhmutsk, Pisky, and Pervomaisk. During the day, in order to support the actions of the ground units, Ukraine's Air Force carried out 6 strikes aimed at destroying the enemy's manpower, combat and special equipment, radio-electronic warfare systems, anti-aircraft defenses, and logistical support facilities. As a result of Ukrainian rocket and artillery strikes during the past day, damage was inflicted on enemy control posts, concentrations of military equipment, and tank personnel. A Zoopark counter-battery radar station and a Zatel electronic warfare station were destroyed, and a large number of Russian troops killed. President Volodymyr Zelensky held a meeting with military leadership. "There is no place for the occupiers on our land," said Zelensky. He added that the Ukrainian flags are returning to where they belong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.